Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add Fingerprint Biometric lock feature on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So currently, when I unlock this phone, I need to use a pattern. However, on this phone, there's a fingerprint reader built into the screen, and you can use a fingerprint to unlock this phone. So let me show you how to enable that. So first, go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right, scroll down until you see security and privacy, tap on this. Now you want to scroll down until you see screen lock and biometrics, tap on that. Go ahead and unlock it using your pattern or pin. Now if you scroll down, you'll see face recognition and fingerprints. So you can use face recognition. It'll use this camera here to recognize your face and unlock your device. Or you can use a fingerprint. So in this video, I'll show you how to add a fingerprint. So go ahead and tap on that. Now this will give you more information about your fingerprints and how the data is handled by Samsung. Go ahead and press continue. Now go ahead and tap register. We'll go ahead and use our thumb. Go ahead and tap on it a few more times. Hold it there for a while, lift your finger, do it again until it reaches 100%. Go ahead and try different angles of your thumb. And now a fingerprint has been added. Do you want to add another one? If you want to add another one, like your index finger, you can do that. If you're done with that, go ahead and tap on done. And now your fingerprint has been added. So if I lock this and then go ahead and just place my finger there, this will unlock the device. So there you go guys, that is how to set up your fingerprint as a screen lock biometric for your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.